Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to filter across multiple data sources using parameters in Tableau. This is incredibly useful when you're working with separate data sets, but need to apply consistent filtering logic across all of them, making your dashboards more dynamic and interactive. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Tableau homepage. Simply type in tableau.com in your address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in if you already have an account, or alternatively, you can open Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public on your computer if you prefer to work locally. Now that you're signed in, it's time to create or open a workbook. Click on Explore at the top of your screen, then look for the New button and click it. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, select Workbook to start fresh. Next, we need to connect to your first data source. On the Start page, you'll see a section labeled Connect. Here you can choose from various options like Excel, text file, or even database connections. For this tutorial, click on Files and then Upload from Computer. Browse through your folders and select the dataset you wish to use on Tableau. Then click Open. Once your file finishes uploading, click on Publish Now. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workbook, so type in something descriptive and then click Publish. Give it a moment while Tableau processes and uploads your data. For the initial data representation, we'll keep things simple. Locate product name in your data fields and drag it to the column shelf, then take total sales and drag it to the row shelf. You'll see a visualization appear, but let's adjust it to make it clearer. Change the data type to bar by clicking on the visualization type selector. This gives you a nice bar chart showing sales by product. Now here's where it gets interesting. We need to add a second data source to demonstrate cross-filtering. Look for the New Data Source button on the top side menu of your screen and click it. Another Connect to Data window will appear, just like before. From here, choose Files again, upload your second dataset from your computer, and click Publish Now. Wait for this second dataset to upload completely before moving forward. For this new dataset, we'll create a similar representation. Add product name to columns and total sales to rows once again. This creates a second sheet with a different data source but similar structure. Now comes the fun part where we bring everything together. On the bottom part of your screen, look for the New Dashboard button and click on it. This opens a dashboard workspace. On the left side panel, you'll see the previous sheets we've created listed. Drag both of them onto your dashboard screen. Position them so they're both visible and easy to compare, and there you have it. You've successfully set up multiple data sources in Tableau and positioned them on a dashboard where you can begin implementing parameter-based filtering across both sources. This foundation allows you to create interactive, unified filtering that works seamlessly across different datasets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.